Families taking care of a loved one with Alzheimer's struggle with navigating the legal and financial logistics when the person still has the capacity to help. The Alzheimer's Association recently hosted an event to help family members. CCN's Hannah Townsley was there.
I'm here inside of the Pasadena Senior Center, where a lecture on legal and financial planning was just held by the Alzheimer's Association for those affected by Alzheimer's. Members and relatives of people suffering from Alzheimer's came out Wednesday to learn about legal and financial documents and how to prevent issues relating to the disease. Ileana Madrigal, an attorney and volunteer for the Alzheimer's Association, says it's important to take care of legal documents as soon as possible.
One of the biggest legal issues is that a person with Alzheimer's doesn't have the capacity to make legal decisions anymore. For example, they won't be able to sign anymore because they won't be able to understand the document they're signing, so they don't have the legal capacity to do it.
Madrigal says it's also crucial to prepare finances early.
There's also the financial issues that come into play. For example, in the future, if there's going to be long-term medical care that's going to be required. It's very important to plan early, to think about what type of resources are going to pay for your long-term medical care.
One woman who didn't want her face shown on camera here says she came to this event to help a family member.
This is my sister with her problem, and just for more information about, what to do for her, because she's not thinking on her own. So before, she's totally, incapable of making her own decisions.
Akila Gibbs, the Senior Center's executive director, says Alzheimer's numbers are growing.
Alzheimer's is such a debilitating disease, and so many Americans now are getting Alzheimer's because the population is growing older. So it's real important for people to know to have their financial house in order.
I think it's very important to plan, not just people with Alzheimer's, but anyone to have legal documents in place, especially power of attorneys for financial management and for healthcare. That way your wishes are set forth in the document.
The Alzheimer's Association says every 67 seconds, a person in the U.S. develops the disease. In Pasadena, Hannah Townsley, CCN.